project, we are researching the intracellular pathway of the androgen receptor that causes alopecia, an autoimmune disease that leads to hair loss predominantly in males. Some men with male pattern baldness have a larger number of docking sites for the androgen receptor gene. This gene codes for the production of the androgen receptor, a protein that specifically binds to androgen hormones. In the first step of the pathway, testosterone converts to DHT, dihydrogen testosterone, with the help of enzyme type 2 5-alpha reductase, which is held in a hair follicle's oil glands.
More docking sites for AR can lead to greater androgen receptor excretion, with more protein receptors attaching to the DHT. This binding of receptors and DHT creates dimers. This higher concentration of dimers initiates many cell-to-cell signals that overload hair-producing cells, telling hair tissue to shut down hair production. Scientists currently hypothesize that this high level of DHT binding to the receptors in the hair follicles is causing the problem. This is our diagram. The yellow triangles represent testosterone hormones. The green box represents the cell. Testosterone enters the cell and becomes dihydrogen testosterone. DHT-10 binds with the pink receptors and turns into dimers. The dimers travel into the nucleus where transcription occurs.
A maze design that represents the relay molecule's path throughout the cell. We start by dropping a marble into the maze. The marble rolls around the maze and eventually drops into the next level. When the marble drops into the second level, it knocks into a second marble. This represents one relay molecule activating the next. The second marble rolls around through the second level of the maze until it drops to the bottom. When the second marble drops into the bottom of the maze box, it represents the final relay protein entering the nucleus. When the relay proteins enter the nucleus, a reaction occurs. In our model, when the marble hits the bottom of the box, we'll draw confetti to demonstrate the response. In the cell signaling pathway for alopecia, the nucleus responds by slowing the growth of hair follicles.
Approximately 6.8 million people in the United States and 147 million people worldwide either have or will develop alopecia at some point in their lives.
Some doctors also suspect a connection between extreme stress and developing alopecia. Chronic stress can weaken the immune system and interfere with its ability to function properly.
Currently, there are no treatments available to work for everybody diagnosed with alopecia.
Steroids and immunosuppressive drugs have been shown to stimulate hair growth, as well as topical creams and medications.